It's me, Kenzo, and I'm playing Need for Speed No Limits, the new event here. Bravo. Your vehicle, drop points up ahead, get to move on, okay? Fine, whatever. I don't even care. Perfect launch, great. Let's see. There we go. Swipe down. Great drifting. Okay. Dude, I almost crashed there. Whoa! Let's see. I can't see where I'm going here. Oh my god, this is very hard to control here. Need for Speed's controller are much harder than any other game. Whatever. Whoa, 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 whoa. 13 seconds left. How will I do this thing here, okay? Oh, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, barely made it. I barely made it. Like 1 second left. Oh, dude, that was so crazy, by the way. I see a car parked in the shadows of an alley. Red bars, sirens, and a whole lot of power. This is your inspector vehicle. Oh, now I'm becoming a police? Great. Well, I'm turning into fake police here. Inspector. Oh, there. Oh, I have a McLaren police car here. How is this even possible? Car thief, Porsche Carrera GT. Who is this guy? Question mark, question mark, question mark. Car thief. I'm Kenzo. Bravo. Dude, Porsche Carrera. Okay, there we go. That's my police. It's so weird. This is so weird. Why am I police car? This was never what I did. Remember, kid, those upgrades aren't just for show. Okay, do whatever it takes, bust your suspects. Swipes, okay. Whatever, I know, guys. Best all, oh, dude! Oh my god, this is insane, I have a side mirror? Wow, dude, this isn't that different, by the way. I want to crash this dude, okay? Ugh, there we go. Dude, what is that? Okay. Braking. Okay. Same time to brake. Okay, there we go. Wow, this is very, new to me. I didn't know that you can also be a policeman. Okay. Warning, public safety. You crashed us. Dude, I'm barely warning public safety. Okay. I gotta slow down. Okay, there we go. Brake check? He brake checked me. How could you? Stop. There we go. Oh, it's a brake. Why did he just run away? Retry. Come on. That was crazy. He keeps on running away. I'm not good at this. I have a side mirror too. That is the coolest part ever. Yes, that's not a side mirror. That's the rear view, whatever. Bust all racers. Bust all? There's only one. Come on. Why does he keep on brake checking me anyways? Rear end. Crash. Rear end crashing. Crash. Warning public safety. I'm just destroying some poles. Come on, that doesn't do anything. Okay, maybe that does a lot. I don't know. Rear end. That was great damage. Dude, I'm crashing this dude. I feel so like I'm gonna be fired. Oh, there we go. Oh, dude, don't destroy a taxi. I just destroyed a taxi. I need to keep the public safe. This is not. This is the opposite of what I'm trying to do. Oh, I just crashed him at the last second. Oh, I caught him. I caught him. Why can't I just turn back and race away? That would be pretty easy. His car is extremely damaged. Let's upgrade my car. It's like so hard to just, invent a garage. And my police car. Yeah, this is not a police car anymore. Why am I busting away my own people and stuff? Whatever. This is so weird. 78. That only one. That is just a little bit of upgrade. Wait, what is this? Swipe. Yeah. Okay, I remember that. Okay, I don't. What's swipe? Hugo. Who's this guy? Hugo. Porsche. Oh, is he the same person? Okay, is he the same person as before? I think. Oh yeah, it looks like the same person. Okay, there we go. I'm back. I'm still on Need for Speed. I have a illegal, number plate. Oh, dude, those guys are right there. Hugo's the one we're after. Take him down. Okay. Hugo, we need to take him down. Okay. Who's this dude? Okay. Okay, take him down. Hugo's this dude. Okay. Porsche. Dumb Porsche. I have a McLaren going much faster than a Porsche. Oof. Hugo's he's crashing on. Hugo. Dude, I need to speed up. Busted 0. I busted out 2 people. Zero. There we go. Let him pass by. We're after this dude. My glass is broken. Oof. Oh, I just crashed Hugo. How is this possible? Hugo. Oh, crashed out the Porsche Cayman dude. He's not the Porsche Cayman dude. He's oh, Ray. 1 of 8. Okay. Result pass. Okay, guys. Yeah, some storage managing in the middle, so that's why the video kind of stopped or glitched a little, flash, whatever. You cut Hugo off and begin to open the door suddenly. Sergeant Armstrong, get away from my suspect. Oh, dude, what? Oh, okay, what's happening? What's happening? Wait, garage. How much do you need? Oh, I need 79. Okay, 78, 79. Let's upgrade my car. 79, okay, I'm great. Great to go. I love this Bravo thing. This is so cool. You're being a police car. How can this not be cool? Bro, this is insanely cool. This is insane. Bro, just last 2 races. Okay. Hugo's mine. Hugo. Hell no. You think I'm gonna let either of you take me? Hugo looks very angry. Okay. Supercharge your nitro! This is so cool. The Supercharge your nitro races. Almost on, this is just too much nitro boost. Yeah. What do you need here? Woohoo! Supercharge! Nitro Zone 5 out of 5. And here's a booster. Oh, I totally forgot that thing. Okay. 57, 58, oh no. 19 seconds left. How will I make this? Make this to the end? Yeah. Dude. Drift. I don't want to drift right now, just depending on the nitro strips. 7, 6. Oh dude, this was easy. kind of drifted out at the end. Whatever. Nitro's on 9. Great. Just one more race. Yeah, one more. Oh, dude, I'm out of tickets already? Okay, buy more. Dude, come on, this is dumb. Very dumb. Event garage. Dude, that did nothing. Okay, guys, I'm back. I refilled all of my tickets now. Great. Okay. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Bravo. I'm on day 1 now. Oh yeah, okay. Now it's stopped. Wait, like the tutorial and everything, whatever. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, oh, here we go. Frank. Sergeant Armstrong. Why am I catching that dude? Oh, he's like a police officer too. I was like, why am I catching? Out of my way, Bravo, spooks. Wait, dudes? Wait, why am I on the bad side this time? I thought it would be a police car. Bro, that is just making no sense. I need to beat this Hugo guy, whatever. He has a Porsche and I have a McLaren. There's a great difference in these two cars. What's the problem here? That was too much of a small race. Retry, skip 70. How much are you supposed to do in Need for Speed? Such like 5 tickets? Come on, give me at least 10. That's so dumb. Wait, I want to go to the guide for a second. Inspector tutorial, whatever. Okay, new controls. Tap and hold both sides. Trigger the brakes. Use brake check. Swipe rear ends. Anything you can. Okay. Reduce their health bar to take them down. Bust all races before they escape to complete your mission. Good luck there, rookie. We'll be keeping an eye on you, okay? That's how it is. Oh, dude, that guy's car looks really damaged. Damaged car, the most damaged car in the whole universe. For how many days does this keep on going? Oh, 7 days, okay. Enemies even closer. Strong armed. Intuition, okay. Dispatch. Rush hour. That was like so hard. Your progress is 6%. Miss outs. Cars. 210 cars here in the garage. I don't want to upgrade this car. Any better car? Oh yeah, dude, this car looks so cool. Mustang. Okay. Let's see this. Oh. Any more upgrades available? Dude. Any more upgrades available? Come on. No more upgrades are available. Oh wait, one more? Oh. Okay, I actually did 3 more. Wow, that's great. 2x. Works engine. Oh. This is 13,000? Bro. That was like a lot of money. Let's put that giant part right in there. Complete races to win a McLaren GT. Open slot. Ignition. Prime suspect. Confirm. Dude, I want to play prime suspect. Okay, come on. Why do you keep on saying stuff? It's a new loan car. I already have this car. Okay, guys, stop just doing this type of stuff. Okay, last race. Then I'm gonna be ending this video. Meow. Strip drive day 1. This is day 1. Okay. Black Ridge. Supercharger Nitro. Yeah, the polices are here. In the Supercharger Nitro thing. Okay, that's very that's not normal. That is not supposed to even happen. That does not happen. This is just so insane. Why is Need for Speed acting so insane? Drift off, yeah. Bye. Okay, anyways guys, I'm gonna be ending this video now. Please like, share, subscribe. Bye.